Hindi ko lang maintindihan talaga kung bakit sa dami-dami ng problema dito sa Pilipinas, why would you, like spend time and resources on somebody or a local executive that's declaring war against drugs? Parang, is it a bad thing that I'm declaring war against drugs? Ayun yung question dyan. So, bakit sobrang allergic sila sa platform na yan? It was a popular platform by the former president. And it still is a popular platform. Because the question is, sino ba gusto maging bangag o gusto maging mag-anak mo, kapatid mo, mga tao sa communities nyo maging bangag? So that's why, as a local executive, in order for me to protect my citizens, either figuratively or literally, I will say that this city or my city is against it and is at war with drugs.